All right. Welcome, everybody, and I'm happy I'm able to present FieldRobotiX for you. I'm the CEO, Dariusz Komniak, and what we do in the FieldRobotiX, we are using autonomous drones. Sorry. Wait. All right. I will stick with the keys. Let me take you for a while to the underground mine. The mining in most of the underground mines look like that. Here you have tunnels, there is a blasting, and there is a lot of material transported to this here structure. And it's dumped through those wheel loaders through the down for the further transportation, for the further processing. And this structure is called overpass. This is something which is extremely dangerous place. You cannot look inside because you have slopes to actually move the material down, and dark, no radio communication, no signal. If something will happen, this costs a lot of money. If this place will be blocked or this place will be damaged, it costs enormous amount of money for the mines, up to 10 million Swedish kronor a day, to manage the production otherwise. Sometimes the mine managements are deciding to send people there to inspect, since they don't have proper tools nowadays. And this is extremely risky operation, as you might figure out. Our solution is autonomous drone, but not only a drone, but entire system, which is able to collect the data from a place where you cannot control the drone. So the drone flies completely by themselves, capture the data, raw data like this, then creating a 3D scene, 3D map, here, maybe not from the mine, but one of our examples, what we are showing, 3D scene, 3D place. And then it is stored in the cloud, is further processed. You can get some statistics, you can get some measurements out of it. And you might think, cloud? Just yesterday, I was talking with one person from LKB, and he said that, yeah, the measurements from the devices they have right now, they are all over the place. So if you need to find proper measurement, it is very difficult. In our solution, you will have everything in one nice place. Our milestones for this year are almost reached. We have created 3D map building software. We have integrated outdoor autonomy for the drones. We have run several pilot tests with our customers. Right now, we are working on the integration of the full autonomy in the places where there is no GPS, there is no radio communication for the control. For the next year, we want to release a payload, the module which we are adding to the drone. This is something which I actually didn't mention. We are using drones, DJI drones, which are available on the market. So you can easily buy them, you can easily get the maintenance plan, and we are adding a special module developed by us, which enables those drones to fly autonomously in the underground mines. And also we are enabling them in the cloud processing, and this is the plan for the next year, Q3 2022. And at the end of the year, we are aiming for offer drone as a service. Basically, the company is not sure if they really get the results as they want. They can get it as a service to test it, to operate it for a while, and then go for the full suite. The market which we are aiming for, the total addressable market, 320 billion Swedish kronor with continuous growth of over the next 5 years of 23%. Serviceable market, the 3D mapping market, is 38 billion Swedish kronor with continuous growth of 15% over next 5 years. And we are aiming to capture 50 million SEK in sales within 2025. Competition. Since we are in the very attractive space, there is continuous growth in these markets. There is a competition, of course. But compared to other products like MSN, Inconova, Flyability, we are offering entire suite, not only the drone which can fly autonomously, but also processing, storage, and very attractive business model as well. On top of that, we have the highest level of autonomy. So this drone can go to the places where the others cannot. You can be completely in another place without any radio communication, and our system can fly autonomously at any place without GPS. Our team, we have a really great team consisting of the top researchers and developers which are very active still at the university. We have our own employees which are making the prototypes, developing the products every day, pushing it further. And also we are getting great help from the Arctic business, from the advisors, to actually move the business side forward. A break-even point. We have calculated that if we sell 4 devices, 4 modules for the drone a month, we will break even. And this is only from the sales of the small addition to the drone from the hardware. But true cherry on top of the cake is our subscription model for the cloud processing, where when we will reach 25 devices on the market in our customers, we will be covering the costs of the company. And we are planning to do this in 2023. Right now, what we are pitching for is 2.5 million Swedish kronor from angel investors, and on the valuation of 10 million Swedish kronor for 20% of equity. And this money will be used for increasing the development speed to hit the market as soon as possible. And with that, thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer your questions.